My name is Michael Alao. I'm a third-year student at Salmon P. Chase College of Law of Northern Kentucky University. My note is titled Public School Governance and Cybersecurity. School districts provide easy targets for cyber thieves. There have been a lot of advances in the private sector regarding information security. Unfortunately, a lot of these advances have not occurred in the public sector, especially within school districts. And school districts, for example, do not have to comply with the Sarbanes-Oxley Act, which publicly held companies do have to comply with. And that law requires auditors annually to test information technology controls. Another weaknesses that we see with school districts is that notice of breach laws don't always apply to them. For example, in Ohio, a school district that is self-insured, oddly enough, under HIPAA laws, does not have to provide the public notice of information security breaches. Finally, consumer protection laws that apply to individual consumers do not apply to school districts. So if a school district finds itself the victim of cyber fraud and has money fraudulently wired out of its bank accounts, the school district is fully liable, whereas an individual will be liable only for up to $50. This paper argues that there are steps that states and school districts can take without waiting for congressional action to address some of these security weaknesses. The most obvious one is that states could require the state auditors during the annual audits of school districts to include information technology controls as part of the audit. States and school districts also have enough financial leverage where they can pressure banks to either accept liability for wire fraud thefts or to help provide individual school districts with the cybersecurity to make sure that they do not fall victim to such fraud. Thank you.